Welcome developers! Looking for an easy way to debug your Godot project with Visual Studio? Then check this out. Let's create a new CSharp file. Let's call it debugger helper. In our ready function, we will then call the method debugger.launch. And if you want, you can already add a breakpoint. Now we have to add this beautiful class to the Autoload list, so it can be called at the start of the game. Be sure it's the first in the list, so also other Autoload functions can be debugged. Time to start the game. As you can see, a window appears, and now you can select your Visual Studio solution. Of course, you can also press cancel, then no debugger will be attached. And there you have it. Now just continue and you will jump automatically to your breakpoint. Of course, you could just call the function directly, but if you have multiple places with that code, you could easily lose the overview, but that's up to you to decide. But I got one small hint at the end. I created a plugin with an integration into Godot Editor. With this, you can just deactivate or activate the debugger launcher in the UI. So have a look and try it out. The link you can find in the description as usual. That's it, your game devs. I hope this will boost your productivity. We'll see us the next time.